Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. To call a .NET API from Python, you can use the pythonnet library, which provides a bridge between Python and the .NET runtime. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with code examples. Before you start, make sure you have Python installed. You can install pythonnet using the following command. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you have a simple .NET API. Create a class library in C#, example using Visual Studio, with a method that adds two numbers. Here's an example. Build your .NET class library to generate a DLL file. You can do this using the command line or an integrated development environment, IDE, like Visual Studio. Create a Python script to call the .NET API using the pythonnet library. Let's assume the compiled DLL file is named MathLibrary.dll. Here's an example Python script. Replace path \to \mathlibrary.dll with the actual path to your compiled DLL file. Save the Python script and run it using the following command. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the result printed in the console. That's it. You've successfully called a .NET API from Python using the pythonnet library. You can adapt this example to suit your specific .NET API and Python requirements. ChatGPT.